So if you don't have rectangular farm-like tables and you have round ones, obviously like the long runner wouldn't specifically work. So what I see a lot of times on Pinterest and what my brides are showing me is like a series of candles if they don't want to do a centerpiece with greenery kind of nestled around it with some floral buds nestled around it, or like a lantern. So the one that I am commonly shown the most is like a gold charger with a series of 3 candles. So pretty much in one bunch of silver dollar eucalyptus, you can break this up into probably 4 to 6 chargers. And I always cut them extremely short. So I cut off the stems. And the neat thing is that you can do this in advance, like 1 to 2 days before. You can get all of your greenery pre-cut, almost kind of like they're rose petals. And once you cut them, just put them in a Walmart bag or like some type of plastic bag and pop them in the fridge so they don't dry out and get crunchy. But they'll be just fine if they're kind of enclosed and in a cool location. So this is what I most commonly see. And usually it's like with hurricane vases, but we have these today, or like pillar candles where when they're in a charger, you don't mind if the wax kind of spills down because it's not gonna get on your table or your linens. So then it's just kind of a matter of clustering this greenery around it. It doesn't take very long, and it ends up just being a few dollars a table for your florals. So putting in roses is something that I would do the day of, a few hours before the wedding and on site. I don't prep my roses much when I'm doing this because I'm cutting the majority of it off. And I cut them to be about, pretty short, like 1 inch or 2. Pull off the guard petals and kind of nestle them down into the greenery. It's a very inexpensive way to do a little centerpiece, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So if you're kind of nervous about doing your flowers, this is very simple. All right, I hope that helped. Thank you so much.